Hi students, today we are going to study something same concept, trigonometric identities, right? Trigonometric identities, and today is the sixth day, right? Sixth day we are seeing this concept. Sum number 11, prove that 1 by ck plus tan a minus 1 by cos a is equal to 1 by cos a minus 1 by ck minus tan a. So I already told you that we already discussed, right? We want to take LHS and we have to prove the RHS, right? If we are taking LHS, right, we have to compare the LHS and RHS more than one term, right? If we are having two terms, it is very easy to bring to one term, right? Two term, three terms means we can easily by solving we can easily bringing as a only one term, right? But see that LHS also we are having two terms as well as RHS also two terms. I already told you that when we are having LHS two terms and RHS two terms, then we have to take separately and we have to simplify, right? We have to take LHS separately and we have to simplify, and finally we have to stop there and taking the RHS and we are simplifying, and we want to get both the simplification of LHS is equal to simplification of RHS. Both should be equal, right? But the same thing, but see one more hint, right? While we are seeing this question, we want to solve this method. Likewise, we have to analyze and see in this method, right? In this sum, we are going to do not we are going to take as a LHS one. Here we are not going to take LHS separately and going to simplify, and we are taking RHS separately and going to simplify, right? So why? Because means see the LHS and RHS. See, LHS also we are having two terms, right? More than one term. RHS also we are having two terms, right? More than one terms. And just compare, see LHS and RHS. See, same term but different symbol. Same terms and but different symbols, right? Just compare the LHS and RHS. See, that's 1 by ck plus tan a, 1 by ck minus tan a. Both are like terms, right? Both are same term, but symbols alone different. Ck plus tan a, ck minus tan a. Here 1 by cos a, 1 by cos a. Right? So LHS. So what we are going to do here means we are not at all taking LHS separately and going to simplify, and taking RHS separately and going to simplify. What we are going to arrange the like terms in one side, right? We are going to arrange the like terms, same terms or like terms in one side, right? And another like terms in the another side, right? See here, I'm just going to bring this 1 by ck minus tan a to the LHS and this 1 by cos a to the RHS. So cos a term fully RHS and ck tan a fully LHS, right? And once again, I'm going to take that. While solving that method, that is very easy. There also, what we are going to do that we are going to get two terms, right? So while we are simplifying, we'll get a LHS is equal to RHS. Right? LHS is equal to RHS, right? So just keep in, just while seeing the question, you have to keep a small hint. See, we are having a like terms in different side, right? We are having a like terms in different side. So what we are going to do that we are going to arrange in one side, right? We are going to arrange in one side and then we are going to simplify, right? That is very important in this model, right? Arranging the like terms in one same side, right? Arrange the like terms in same side. So I'm just taking that. Once again, I'm just writing the question. 1 by ck plus tan a minus 1 by cos a is equal to 1 by cos a minus 1 by ck minus tan a, right? I'm just going to bring this minus 1 by ck tan a to the LHS and minus 1 by cos a to the RHS. So it will become, what is it? 1 by ck plus tan a, 1 by ck plus tan a minus 1 by ck minus tan a will become plus 1 by ck minus tan a is equal to, already what is there in RHS? 1 by cos a. 1 by cos a, right? This minus 1 by cos a taking to the RHS, it will become plus 1 by cos a, right? Now while we are simplifying, right, and now also I'm going to simplify means taking LHS separately and taking RHS separately, I'm going to simplify, right? Within 3 to 4 steps we'll get the solution, right? But if you are not shifting the terms, right, if you are not shifting the like terms to the same side and you are just doing it directly, then it will take so many steps, and we won't get a correct answer also, right? will get a correct answer, but it will take a time, right? It will take a time. I told you that the number of steps is not at all needed, right? The number of steps is not at all needed. Only they will check your analytical skill, right? Whether you are having a analytical skill or not. Likewise, only they will check, right? So by seeing the question itself, how we are going to prove this, the proof. Likewise, you have to think, right? That only they will check. Okay, I'm just taking the LHS separately. I'm going to take the RH separately. I'm going to prove that. Shall I prove directly? LHS and the RHS direct, shall I prove directly? Okay, I'm just doing directly, right? If you are feeling somewhat uncomfortable, you can take LHS separately and you can prove that. You can take RHS separately and you can prove that. And finally, you want to get LHS is equal to RHS, right? But now what I'm going to do that I'm going to solve directly, right? So what we are, so both are in terms of fractions, so cross multiplication, right? So 1 into ck minus tan a, ck minus tan a, right? Plus 1 into ck plus tan a, ck plus tan a, right? Plus tan a whole divided by ca plus tan a, right? Ca plus tan a into ck minus tan a, right? Ck minus tan a, right? Is equal to same thing, cross multiply cos a into 1 cos a plus cos a into 1 cos a divided by cos a into cos a cos square a, or directly cos a into cos a, right? Cos a into cos a, right? Is equal to, simplify, minus tan a plus tan a will get cancelled. So remaining is remember ck plus ck 2ck 2ca, right? Ck plus ck 2ck divided by, right? See the denominator, how it will be ck plus tan a into ck minus tan a. It is nothing but ck is nothing but I'm just taking a and tan a b. So a plus b into a minus b is equal to what is that? A square minus b square. So what is a here? Ck. So 6 square a minus tan square a is equal to, right? I have simplified LHS. Now take the RHS, cos a plus cos a 2 cos a. Cos a plus cos a 2 cos a divided by cos square a. Cos square a. Right? See that cos a cos square a. So I cancel cos a and among the 2 cos a. I'm just simply cancelling 1, right? So 2 ck divided by, right, 6 square a minus tan square a. What is 6 square a minus tan square a? Yes, identity, right? Trigonometric identity. Already we know that, right? We know that what is it? 6 square a minus tan square a is equal to what is it? 6 square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1, right? So instead of this 6 square a minus tan square a, shall I substitute 1? So it is equal to, what is it? 1, right? 6 square a minus tan square a is equal to 1 is equal to 2 cos a has been cancelled, 2 divided by cos a. 2 divided by cos a. LHS is equal to RHS we want to get, right? Shall I convert this ck in terms of cos a, or you can convert this cos a in terms of ck, right? So I'm just converting this cos a in terms of ck. Already we know that, what we know that cos a is equal to, what is it? Cos a is equal to 1 by ck and 1 by cos a is equal to, what is it? Ck, right? Already we know that, right? So instead of this 1 by cos a, what I'm going to substitute? See, what is the LHS? 2 ck is equal to 2 into 1 by cos a. What is 1 by cos a? Is equal to ck. So 2 ck. LHS is equal to RHS. Hence it is. Understood? See, these model sums also somewhat else. All the sums are very, very important. See, each different models. See, I am just differentiating all the models. You have to keep all the models in your mind, right? So which model is suitable, right? The question, which model, which kind of question, which model question you have to analyze, and you have to apply the methodology, right? So always you have to keep that methodology alone, right? See, by seeing the question itself, you have to come to the conclusion how we are going to simplify, right? How we are going to simplify. This is nothing but what is it? Like terms on the same side, right? Shifting the like terms on the same side, right? Sum number 12, you can take this as homework. Show that sin theta divided by cot theta plus cosec theta is equal to 2 plus sin theta divided by cot theta minus cosec theta, right? See the LHS, sin theta divided by cot theta plus cosec theta Now RHS also sin theta divided by cot theta minus cosec theta. Same term but different symbol, right? So just shifting that like term on the same side, right? So while we are shifting this plus sin theta divided by cot theta minus cosec theta to the LHS, it will become minus sin theta divided by cot theta minus cosec theta is equal to, we want to prove that this is equal to 2. In the RHS we are having only one term. So just taking this term to the LHS and simplifying, then finally what we want to get? You want to get it is equal to 2, right? You can take this as a homework. So number 13, prove each of the following identities, right? Prove each of the following identities. Subdivision number 1, cosec power 4 theta minus cosec square theta is equal to cot power 4 theta plus cot square theta. The power 4, power 6k means, already we have seen that, what is it? We will write in terms of 2 to the power 2, right? 2 square, 2 square, right? Square to the square, cube to the square, likewise we will write it, right? Cube to the square or square to the cube, likewise we will convert it. See in this model sum, right? See, one is nothing but in terms of power 4, another one is nothing but in terms of square, right? Here also one term is nothing but in terms of power 4, another one is nothing but in terms of square. So here, how we want to simplify means not applying that method, right? Here new method, just keep it in your mind. This is also somewhat important, right? See, while seeing that, how we are going to solve it. See, this kind of sums, how we are going to solve means, this is nothing but taking the common terms outside and simplifying. Taking the common terms outside and simplifying. See that these two terms, just compare the LHS. See the LHS, we are having two terms. These two terms, what is the common term? Cosec square theta. Taking cosec square theta commonly outside and simplify. At the same time, taking the RHS, what is the common term for both the terms? Cot square theta, right? Cot power 4 theta plus cot square theta. Cot square theta is common, right? Just taking cot square theta alone, taking commonly outside and simplifying, we'll get LHS is equal to RHS, right? We'll get the proof. So this method is nothing but common term, taking the common term outside and simplifying. Taking the common term outside and simplifying. See what is the LHS? I'm just taking the LHS. LHS is equal to cosec power 4 theta minus cosec square theta, right? So what is the common term? Cosec square theta. Just take cosec square theta commonly outside. Cosec square theta taking commonly outside. So what is the remaining? Cosec square theta minus 1, right? Cosec square theta minus 1. Now see that cosec square theta minus 1, how it will be? It's coming under the trigonometric identity formula, right? Cosec square theta minus 1 is equal to, what is it? Cot square theta, right? Cosec square theta, right? Cosec square theta minus 1 is equal to, what is it? Cot square theta. We know that, right? What is the identity? Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. I'm just taking this cot square theta to the RHS, minus cot square will become plus cot square, plus 1 will become minus 1. That is cosec square theta minus 1 is equal to, what we can write it? Cot square theta. So instead of this cosec square theta, right? Cosec square theta, right? Cosec square theta into cot square theta, right? Cot square theta. Now you can stop here itself and you can take in the RHS and you can simplify, you will get the answer. See, just compare the RHS, somewhat we are closer, right? So we are having that RHS is nothing but in terms of cot, right? In terms of cot, right? So here we got the cot square theta, extra what we are having cosec square theta. We can convert this cosec square theta in terms of cot, right? Cosec square theta is equal to, what is it? Cot square theta 1 plus cot square theta, right? See, by using the trigonometric identity, now what I am going to do means, what I am going to do means, see cosec square theta, writing the cosec square theta in terms of cot square theta, right? Cosec square theta is equal to, right? Cosec square theta is equal to, taking minus cot square theta to the RHS, it will become, what is it? 1 plus cot square theta, right? So instead of this cosec square theta, what I am going to substitute? 1 plus cot square theta. Why I am just converting cosec square theta in terms of 1 plus cot square theta? What is the RHS? RHS is nothing but it is in the form of cot. So that's why I am just converting in terms of cot, right? So instead of this cosec square theta, you can write 1 plus cot square theta into, already what we are there, cot square theta, right? Now you just multiply inside cot square theta into cot square theta. Sorry, 1 into cot square theta plus cot square theta into cot square theta, cot power 4 theta. See the RHS, cot power 4 theta plus cot square theta. We got it. It is equal to RHS. I'm just taking LHS and I have brought the RHS, right? Suppose if you are stopping here itself and just taking the RHS separately, and you are you can bring like the same term, right? Because in RHS also we are having two terms. If you are taking the RHS, like same thing, what is it? Cot square theta is common. Just take cot square theta commonly outside, and instead of that cot square theta, right? How we'll get it? Cot square theta minus plus 1 will get it, right? Cot square theta plus 1 is nothing but cosec square theta. So we'll get cot square theta into cosec square theta. Then LHS is equal to RHS. Likewise, we'll get it, right? So just keep this. Today, what are the model we have discussed? One is the first model is nothing but what is it? Arranging the like terms or shifting the like terms in one side, same side or one side, right? And simplifying, right? And that is the first model. And second model is nothing but taking common term outside and simplifying. Taking the common term outside and simplifying. Just note down your homework sum. Second subdivision, prove that sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta divided by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta, right? See the numerator, how it will be sin theta sin cube theta. So what is the common term? Sin theta. Just take commonly outside. Here denominator cos theta, right? Taking commonly outside. So sin by cos is equal to tan. So while we are cancelling these two, we'll get a sin by cos is equal to tan. But we can't cancel because in the how we'll get it? Sin into 1 minus 2 sin square theta will get it. In the denominator 2 cos square theta minus cos theta. Here sin, here cos. So better you can convert this sin square in terms of cos square, or in denominator you can convert this cos square in terms of sin. Then we'll get the final solution. What is that? Sin by cos is equal to tan theta, right? We'll cancel and we'll get the tan theta. Thank you.